Numbers have a unique way of influencing our lives. From age and income to milestones and achievements, certain figures hold great significance in shaping our experiences. In this video, we will delve into the 10 most important numbers that have a profound impact on our lives. Understanding their significance can provide insights and inspiration for personal growth, financial planning, and overall well-being. Age. Age represents the passage of time and plays a crucial role in our personal and professional development. It influences our opportunities, responsibilities, and perspectives at different stages of life. Income. Our income determines our financial stability, choices, and lifestyle. It affects our ability to meet our needs, pursue our goals, and create a secure future for ourselves and our loved ones. Credit score. A credit score reflects our financial credibility and impacts our ability to secure loans, mortgages, and other forms of credit. Maintaining a good credit score is essential for financial flexibility and access to favorable borrowing terms. Net worth. Net worth represents the value of our assets minus liabilities. It provides a snapshot of our overall financial health and serves as a measure of wealth accumulation and progress towards financial goals. Education level. Education level influences our career prospects, earning potential, and personal growth. It equips us with knowledge, skills, and opportunities for advancement in our chosen field. Health metrics. Health metrics such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and body mass index, BMI, are essential indicators of our physical well-being. Monitoring and maintaining these numbers can guide us towards a healthier lifestyle and preventive health care. Savings rate. The savings rate measures the percentage of income that we save for the future. A higher savings rate enables us to build an emergency fund, invest for retirement, and achieve long-term financial goals. Debt-to-income ratio. The debt-to-income ratio assesses the proportion of our income that goes towards debt payments. Keeping this ratio low indicates a healthier financial position and lower financial stress. Happiness index. While not a tangible number, the happiness index reflects our overall well-being and life satisfaction. It considers factors such as personal relationships, career fulfillment, and mental and emotional health. Life expectancy. Life expectancy is an estimate of the average number of years a person is expected to live. It influences our long-term planning, retirement savings, and the time we have to accomplish our personal and professional goals. Numbers have a remarkable impact on various aspects of our lives, providing insights and benchmarks for personal growth, financial planning, and overall well-being. By understanding the significance of key numbers such as age, income, credit score, and health metrics, we can make informed decisions, set realistic goals, and take proactive steps towards a fulfilling and prosperous life. Embracing these 10 important numbers as guiding measures can empower us to navigate life's journey with clarity, purpose, and a greater sense of control. Press like button, share our video, and subscribe our channel for more VED in the future. Stay with Double Z. Thanks for watching.